It's Pat Sloan and it is UFO Friday, and I am just home from our trip and really glad to be home. I have a little bit of time here before we have to leave again, and so I just wanted to jump in and say hello and remind you that with UFO Friday you can go over to my website and see what I plan to get done this week. It has the B word. You know what the B word is? Binding. Yes, I'm going to do some binding this week. I'm home, so I can do that. The last 2 weeks with all the travel, I haven't been able to really do anything on my UFOs. And I want to remind you, on Monday, I'll be back to my fireside chat on Monday night. So that's pretty exciting. I'm thinking of sewing something and getting the jubilant out and do a little cutting, a little sewing, just sort of sit and chat and be real casual. So if you like that idea, let me know. So I'm going to wave off here on Friday night, on Friday UFO day, and I hope you have some sewing on your things to do tonight.